All right, today we're going to bring a baby bottle cleaner, but this also works for anything, cups. It could sustain so many things in here. Now, these are removable. You could remove them if they don't fit in here, but if you guys can see, there's actually a drip tray on the top, drip tray on the bottom that you could actually remove. And this drip tray on the top has holes, so when the water goes down, it goes down to here. And of course, there's a silicone mat here, so in case there's extra spillage, it will gather through the actual mat itself. But look at this, and I'm going to show you something. So these can be replaced and removed if you want, optional. You can move anything, even cups too. You guys can see, clean up my cup, my coffee cup, regular cups. And then they could drain out and dry out quickly. So if you have kids, babies that need bottle cleaning, this is ideal for them. So very simple. It took me about 5 minutes to put together. Best thing I like is this removable tray. So it gathers the water from the top to the bottom, and you're simple, ready to get it out. So if you're looking for something like this, I hope you guys enjoy the video.